Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm here with the hair tutorial. I got a whole bunch of compliments on my ponytail look. I've done it like up here and I've done like a low ponytail and I've gotten mad love on it. So I decided to make a YouTube video basically just showing you guys how I got this style. And if you guys want to see how I got it, then keep watching. Alright, so right now my hair is basically like, I don't even know. Like I blow dried it a few days ago and then... So I'm going to start with my brush, and because I'm not in front of a sink, I'm just going to spray it. You could just wet it in your sink. I need it to be wet for my hair to do anything. I'm going to just brush it up. Just so it can at least go in the direction that I want it to go. And oh my gosh, you guys, excuse my eye. I swear I don't have like pink eye. I freaking slept with my contacts on and woke up and... Sometimes it happens though, it's not nothing new. Okay, alright, so now that it's kind of like doing what we wanted to do, I'm going to go in with this edge control. I kind of use a lot, especially because I don't have any of it in my hair right now. But this is the same edge control I used in my last video. It's literally the exact same thing. The tops just say something different. Like the other one that I showed you guys I used was purple. This one is green and it says Ultra Super Hold. And the purple one says like something else, like Mega Hold. I don't know, something. They smell exactly the same. I thought it was going to be like maybe a different scent or something. So I was going to like continuously use the purple one, but they didn't have it at the beauty supply store. So I ended up having to get the green one and realizing that it's literally the exact same thing. Not sure why the packaging is different, but I mean, it's whatever. And as you guys know, if you watched my last hair video, I try to like keep the baby hairs out because if I let it set with my baby hairs in, they're not coming back out. Like it'll be impossible to get them out. See, it's already kind of hard. I waited a little bit too long, but it's whatever. But yeah, so you're literally just gonna like slick back your ponytail and try to make it as nice as possible because that's how your ponytail is gonna come out. Like that's how it's gonna look once it's done. Don't be trying to be lazy on this part. The one thing that I don't like about when I have to record a video is that like when I get ready, I always have music on. But when I record a video, I have to turn the music off because I don't want to get like copywritten. So I have to turn off my music and it's like annoying because I literally like ask my roommates, I have music playing like 24/7. You guys, I've literally been procrastinating on this video and I'm so mad that my freaking eye is irritated because it's just like, dang, like, but I really had to get this video out because it's been way too long since I posted a video. It's been like a few weeks and that's like, that wasn't the goal that I set for myself, so. And another thing I would usually do I'm pretty sure I've said this in other videos, but I usually do my makeup before I do my hair because, I mean, I usually do my makeup. I usually do my hair before I do my makeup because when I like lay my baby hairs and stuff, it like messes up my makeup and it's really annoying. But yeah, I would definitely suggest that if you're gonna do this hairstyle and you have like a lot of hair, like how I have, or you have like really thick hair, to like blow dry your hair first. Because sis, like if I was trying to do this and my hair was curly, it would be like, oh my god, it would be a nightmare. Even though like it is possible, but it's just not like ideal at all. Like it would take forever. Okay, I'm like low-key tempted to just wear my hair like this. But no. Now that you have your hair pretty much like slicked back, the next thing I'm gonna do is braid it. So when I first tried doing this hairstyle, I watched a few YouTube videos on like slick ponytails, but I didn't really see anyone who had like hair like me. So I kind of had to like trial and error, figure it out. You know, like figure out what works best for my hair if I want to do this hairstyle. I don't really think it's meant for like people who have this much hair, because it's like this is what goes under your bundles that you add, so like it's kind of hard. And this is also why those like beauty supply store ponytails never work for me, because this is not gonna fit underneath that. Like, I don't know, you're supposed to like put your hair in a bun and put that thing over it. That's not gonna work for me. So I'm glad that this method is like a thing. So you're gonna take a small section of your hair and braid it. So now that you have that braid, you're gonna split this in half. So you kind of want to do it to where you can have like 3 to 4 braids. You don't want it to be too many because you're gonna combine them eventually. Alright, so now I have these 2 braids done, and I'm going to braid this last one. And like, side note, if you can get your hair all into 1 braid, do it. Do that. But I just can't. And I mean I probably can, but like with my nails it's hard. Like, I literally had short nails all summer, so like now that it's fall and stuff and I have long nails, it's just like hard to do everything. But I'm gonna get used to it again, as usual. Okay, so now you're gonna take all 3 of these braids and make them 1 braid. So now you have like this 1 braid. But that's what I was saying, like if you can make all your hair into 1 braid on the first go, then do that, because that's like ideal. Okay, so now I'm taking my CHERYBLUXE hair, and these bundles are in the lengths 20 and 18. So I used the whole 20-inch bundle, and then I used like half, like 3/4 of a of an 18-inch bundle. I'm going to show you guys this beforehand, because once I start to put it in, it might get a little bit confusing. So I just want to make it as clear as possible as to like how I got these in my hair as a ponytail. So this is the end of the 20-inch bundle. There's a hair tie sewn on to the end of it. So like, you're going to take your needle and thread and you're going to sew the hair tie onto the very end of the bundle. And that is going to be connected to the bottom of your braid. But we'll get to that. So yeah, you're going to sew this. And then at the end, the only reason I'm adding the 18-inch bundle is because the 20-inch bundle isn't long enough to wrap all the way up to the top of my ponytail. Which again, you're going to see later. So on the other end of my 20-inch bundle, I have another hair tie, and it's connected to the 18-inch bundle. So you're going to sew another hair tie to the end of your 20-inch bundle, and then to the end of your 18-inch bundle. And then you're going to wrap that up and cut it whenever you don't need any more hair. So yeah, so I'm going to the very end of my 20-inch bundle, finding that hair tie, and tying it to the bottom of my braid. Okay, so this is what it should look like once you put your hair tie. Like, the bundle's already connected, so now all you have to do is literally wrap it up to the top of your ponytail. I'm gonna start wrapping, and I'm probably gonna speed this up because this takes forever. It takes mad long to wrap it. And then I'll show you when I get to the next bundle what happens. As I'm wrapping it, another thing to keep in mind is you want it to be wrapped around pretty tight. So I'm kind of like tugging it as I'm wrapping it, like I'm pulling it around and then I'm like tugging it before I wrap it again, just because I want it to be like tightly wrapped around this braid. Okay, I'm literally like halfway up this ponytail and my arms are killing me. So like that's another thing to keep in mind, like whenever you're doing your hair, especially when you're doing a style like this, your arms are gonna start hurting. So be prepared, because yeah, like my arms are literally like, they feel like fire. And it's annoying because it's like that makes you want to like rush it, but you can't because it has to look good, you know what I mean? Just another side note, so this hair is from CHERYBLUXE, like I said before, and the texture is water wave. I freaking love this texture because I don't know, I feel like the waves are like, they're so pretty, like especially in a ponytail. And then even if you were to like take this hair and turn it into a wig, like it would be so nice. But yeah, so if you're interested in purchasing this hair, check the description box below, because I'm gonna add my discount code so that you guys can go purchase off of her website. She just got a brand new website, which is super exciting. There's other textures you guys can browse through, and if you decide to make a purchase, the discount code is just Zaria. Her website and the description code, her website and my discount code for you guys is going to be right in the description below. Okay guys, so as you can see, I reached the end of the 20-inch bundle, and the hair tie is sewn on the end of it and sewn on the end of the new bundle, the 18-inch bundle that I'm using. So yeah, like I showed you before, like this is essentially why you would need to sew the hair tie, because you're going to need more hair. So I'm putting my hand through the hair tie, taking the ponytail, and literally wrapping the hair tie around. Okay, you see, so now that the hair tie is wrapped around that spot, I can continue wrapping with the 18-inch bundle all the way to the top. And also, like, as I'm wrapping it, I'm kind of like finger combing through it, just because, you know, the hair can get like caught onto itself. So I'm just making sure it doesn't do that. Okay, now once it's all wrapped up, I like to take my phone and literally go to my camera, go to the front camera, and I literally take a picture of the back of my ponytail. Because I want to make sure that I don't see any tracks or any, like, which usually isn't the case, but like I just, you know, you got to be sure, because you can't be out here slipping. So once you take your picture and you see that the back of your hair is fine, you're gonna take the last about inch of hair. Mine is already straight. You want it to be straight because you're going to wrap it around where your hair tie would be and kind of create that illusion that like your hair is what's holding up the ponytail, if you know what I mean. So yeah, you're going to take like this last inch of hair. Mine is already straight because I literally straightened it already. And it also looks kind of like stringier because I kind of put like some gel in it and stuff. I didn't do it today, but like this is from the last time I did my ponytail. You don't have to put gel in it. That was a trial and error thing that I did before. But yeah, so you definitely want to like straighten it with like, whether it be like a flat iron or a hot comb or like whatever, just straighten it and comb it. And you're gonna take it and wrap it around. And when I get to this end little piece, I take my phone again and take another picture. Just because I like to see what it's looking like while I'm doing it. I just wouldn't want to like complete the whole process and then look at it and have to like redo it. That would be really annoying. So once you're done, you're going to keep wrapping it and tuck this last little piece underneath the rest of the hair. So just basically keep wrapping it until you cannot wrap it anymore. And at the end, I literally just finger comb the mess out of it. So yeah, so this is, I'm gonna like try to turn around so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like from the side. And then from the back. Okay, so now that the ponytail's done, I have to do my baby hairs. I don't even know where my Eco Styler gel is, and if you watch my last hair video, you know that I like to kind of like do a blueprint, I guess, of what my baby hairs would look like before I add like the heavy, you know, the heavy stuff. But I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna just go straight in with the 24-hour edge control. And yeah, I'm gonna just do my baby hairs with that. Okay, so once your baby hairs are done, this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys really liked it. Again, this hair is CHERYBLUXE, and I have a discount code. It's just my name, Zaria, and it's going to be in the description below. But yeah, I got a whole lot of compliments on this hairstyle, so I just really wanted to like just do a video on it, because even just random people on the street like were just saying like they liked my hair and stuff. So yeah, now you guys have it, and I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.